Coinbase Sign Up tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can sign up on Coinbase, and I'll give you a total guide on it, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now, to sign up on Coinbase, open up the Coinbase app. Then tap on Create Free Account. Choose a first name that you would like, and also make sure to choose a last name. And once you choose the first name and last name, choose an email address that you would like to use for your Coinbase account, and make sure that you haven't used this email address for any of the other accounts. Now, once you have went ahead and then done this, agree to the terms and conditions, tap on continue. It will ask you to create a password, so I will also create one right away. Once you create a password, it must be a minimum of 8 characters. If you don't know what you've typed in, you can also tap the I button here and then tap on create account. After this process is also complete, it will ask you for the another step to maybe verify your email. So we're going to see what it tells us. Once you have done that, it is going to ask you to verify your email. Now, it will most likely send a verification email by default. If you don't receive it, you can tap on resend, but first we're just going to go ahead and then check on our inbox and then just switch to that particular email addresses. And here you can see I've actually received the email from Coinbase to verify my email address. So tap on verify my email address option, and our email address will get successfully verified here, and it will redirect us to the app automatically. Now, once we have done this, it will ask us to set up a phone number. Now, first you can just go ahead and then basically select your country over here. And then once you select your country, in this case, you have to go ahead and then enter your phone number. So I will also go ahead and then do that. Once done, just tap the continue button over here. Then it's going to send a verification code via SMS. So let us wait after you receive the verification code. I will just go ahead and then copy the verification code over here. Once you copy the code and paste it, tap the continue option over there. And once you have done this, on the next page it will ask us to choose a citizenship. Now, it is actually quite easier if you verify them right now, but since this video is going to be too long, I'm going to skip it. But if you have a citizenship of a certain country, you can simply try to verify your Coinbase account and then just tap the skip button if you want to skip this process for the later time. So I'll just go ahead and skip it for now, and then once I skip this process, you should be able to see that our Coinbase account has been successfully set up and we have successfully signed up. If you want to verify it, of course, you can do that on the later processes. This way you can actually sign up on Coinbase. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.